Imagine you're sitting in your living room, scrolling through your phone. You come across an ad for Raiz Invest, a micro-investing platform that promises to make investing easy and accessible. Have you ever wondered if platforms like Raiz Invest are too good to be true? Is it really possible to invest small amounts of money and grow your wealth over time? In this video, we're going to dive deep into Raiz Invest, exploring its features, benefits, and potential drawbacks. We'll also answer the burning question, is it a legit investment platform? Raiz Invest is a micro-investing platform that allows you to invest small amounts of money regularly. It's designed to make investing accessible to everyone, regardless of your financial knowledge or experience. Key features of Raiz Invest. Roundup investing automatically rounds up your spare change from purchases and invests it. Recurring investments set up regular contributions to your investment portfolio. Diverse investment options choose from a variety of investment portfolios, including ETFs and managed funds. Low fees. Raiz Invest charges competitive fees compared to traditional investment platforms. Benefits of using Raiz Invest. Easy to use. The platform is user-friendly and doesn't require extensive financial knowledge. Accessibility. Raiz Invest makes investing accessible to people with limited funds. Diversification. Investing through Raiz Invest can help you diversify your portfolio and reduce risk. Compound interest. Over time, your investments can grow through the power of compound interest. Potential drawbacks of Raiz Invest. Limited investment options. While Raiz Invest offers a variety of investment options, it may not be as extensive as some traditional investment platforms. Fees. Although the fees are competitive, they can still impact your returns over time. Market volatility. Investing involves risk, and your investments may fluctuate in value. Is Raiz Invest legit? Raiz Invest is a legitimate investment platform. It's regulated by relevant authorities and has a proven track record of helping people invest their money. However, it's important to do your own research and consider your individual financial goals before investing. Raiz Invest may not be suitable for everyone. Tips for using Raiz Invest. Start small. Begin with small investments and gradually increase your contributions as your comfort level grows. Set clear goals, determine your investment objectives, and choose a portfolio that aligns with your goals. Be patient. Investing is a long-term endeavor. Don't expect immediate results. Diversify your portfolio. Consider investing in other assets, such as real estate or stocks, to diversify your risk. Raiz Invest can be a great way to start investing and grow your wealth over time. However, it's essential to understand the platform's features, benefits, and potential drawbacks before making a decision. Ultimately, the decision of whether Raiz Invest is right for you depends on your individual circumstances and financial goals. If you're interested in learning more about Raiz Invest or starting your investment journey, I encourage you to visit their website and explore the platform further. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.